we're gonna be making some chicken nuggets. Take peeks. Look at these nuggies. Look at also 6, so we got our tuna. So we got our right here, we gotta have our chicken nuggets for the shape. Okay. Since I don't have fancy equipment, we're just doing the normal chicken nuggets. Alright, we're gonna get our chicken. Look at that chicken, look how juicy it is. We got a replica nuggets, we got our chicken. Alright, so we got our chicken. First, we're gonna cut off some of the fat. Okay, so we're cutting off our fat. We cut off our fat, we're gonna cut it up to little chunkies now. Okay, enough. So we're gonna cut this. We're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna beat our meat, and then we're gonna shape it into them smexy shapes. So we have our chunkies. Damn. We have our chunkies. We're gonna get, look how thick she is, like juicy, like, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. We're gonna get some pieces and we're gonna beat our meat. So we're gonna get a bag to cover it. We're gonna get our meat beater. Okay. So we're gonna beat the other meats we have. Gentle. We have our meat beat. Look at that meat beat. So after you beat your meat, we're gonna throw away your bag. I'm gonna wash my hands. So we have our meat beaten. Move this aside. We're gonna sit. We're gonna season it. We're just gonna put some salt and pepper because these guys don't look seasoned at all. Alright. Okay, we're gonna make the shape of our nuggies now. So this one has a little point to it, so we're gonna cut it. We're gonna make sure we get that little point. Make sure we got that little point going on. And it's round, how I like it. Perfect, look. Oh. Perfect. We got a thick, juicy, and a little point to it. Okay? A little round nugget. Alright. There we have our 2 nuggies. Let's go with 3, just because why not? Let's get a thick. Oh my god. So, we're gonna cut our meat now to a nuggie. Gonna make it round. That should be good. Oh my god. Ah! So don't forget the secret sauce in here. We're gonna need for later. Damn, what the hell? What the? Oh my god.
Oh no.
Drink the tea. Drink tea. pepper shakers. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on my 3 nuggies I got. I'm gonna put flipping 3-piece geese. ChefCuipix 3-piece. There's nothing over there. There's nothing over there. There's nothing over there. Alright, so we're gonna put some pepper on this. Look at these nuggies. Don't they look delicious? Look at them. Thick, juicy, thick. I'm gonna wash my hands. So we have our flour, we have our breadcrumbs, and our huevos. So we're gonna crack our eggs and whip it up. Did you say whip it up? Whip it up. Whip it up.
Big back cooks. Okay.
So we're gonna crack open the eggs. Ah! Crap. We're gonna crack them open.
Do you ever take a fucking shower?
Alright, so we're gonna get some of our breadcrumbs now. Just gonna lay it out on the plate. So we got our breadcrumbs. So it seems like this is not seasoned, we're not gonna season our breadcrumbs. No! No! So after I got our breadcrumbs, we're gonna get our flour. We're just gonna get a little scoop. So a little pile should be enough for 3. Since this looks unseasoned, we're not gonna season our flour. But we have our nuggets and our mixture. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna put the oil. Vegetable oil. We're gonna pour it up. 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 So it's a little bit oily, so we're gonna turn on our fire. We're gonna let this oil heat up while we put in our mixture. So first, we're gonna go flour, egg, crumbs. Flour, eggs, crumbs. One more time. Flour, eggs, crumbs. Alright, so we're gonna flour first. We got a little thing. Flour, eggs. Okay, we'll leave it in there. Flour, and dip it in the eggs, and then we're going to put it in the crumbs. So flour, eggs, crumbs. Alright. Make sure we're good and coated. We should be good. So we're gonna bring it over to the fire. Look at that crisp. Get in there. Look at that crisp. We're gonna let it cook 3 minutes. Oh. So, while we're waiting, how have you guys been? How's your day? Is it lovely? We're gonna hit the plants. How's your day? Does it stink? Does it stink? Party time, party time, party time, party time, party time. Alright, come on, check! Come on. No.
It hasn't been a full minute. Oh, wait, yeah.
Look at that. Get the timer. Get in the crisp. I want you to hear that. So we're in the, look at that crisp. So I think our nuggets are done. Look how beautiful the green nuggets are. Absolutely stunning. So we have our nuggets. So we have our nuggets. So we have our nuggets. We're gonna try it. Look exactly right. So this tastes exactly like a McDonald's nugget.